Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. I'd love if you'd hit that subscribe button before leaving and give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. So today's video is going to be a chatty get ready with me video. I was planning on doing my video based on what LisaJ makeup started on her channel. It is a beauty kindness tag. And I really love the idea of spreading the knowledge of different videos and creators that we watch, that we love, and the reasons why. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Foundation in 20. This foundation is so beautiful. It gives medium coverage, but it's funny to put on because you literally just like stripe it on your face and then blend it in with a beauty blender. So LisaJ Makeup did a video a couple weeks ago about a kindness tag in the beauty community, and she put some creators that she watched and why she chose them. And I just absolutely love the idea, like I said, of learning about different creators that people watch and love and the reasons why. So maybe you can find some other people that you would like to watch and that will inspire you. So let's go ahead and get started with that. My first one that I would have to talk about is the very first one that I have ever watched. Back, I want to say it was last summer, I was researching something for my classroom and I got a recommended video that popped up, and it was Angie Hot and Flashy. And to be honest with you, I didn't spend much time on YouTube. I didn't even realize that there was a beauty community on YouTube. So I was kind of getting bored with what I was looking at, so I clicked on it and I started watching it, and I immediately was just impressed. I was like, wow, there's actually people on YouTube doing videos about tutorials and skincare, and it's like right up my alley because I love beauty and skincare and learning all I can about it. So I immediately started watching. I remember watching it for a few months. Just Angie Hot and Flashy. I'd get so excited when she'd upload new videos, and I'd always look forward to watching them. I'm gonna go in with my Sultry palette because you can get a whole look with this. If you haven't seen my review on this palette, I'll click it down below so you can look at that video. I love that it comes with this dual end brush, and all you really need is an angled brush to do your eyeliner if you choose to do so. Okay, so after watching Angie Hot and Flashy for a few months, I decided, I wonder if there's, more people out here that are doing beauty tutorial videos. So I started looking around, and somehow I came across LisaJ Makeup. I'm pretty sure I came across her because I was looking for somebody closer to my age. I think she's like a year younger than me. And so I wanted to see someone who was closer to my age range and what they were using. And so I clicked on hers, and I immediately fell in love watching her videos. She seems like the sweetest person that is down to earth and you could become friends with. And I love that she used to be a makeup artist, so she has some tips and tricks from people that she used to work with when she was a MAC training artist. So I thought that was super cool, and I absolutely love it. She's also the reason why I started doing YouTube videos. When I started watching YouTube, I got a little more into it after I dug my feet in and was like, that it even existed. And I had a few friends and family members who were kind of saying, oh, it would be really great if you started your own because you love beauty, you love collecting makeup, trying new things, and helping out, friends and family members find makeup products. So I honestly didn't think too much into the idea because even though I'm a teacher, I'm used to being around kids, not in front of a camera, so it's not something I thought I would be comfortable with doing. But then I was watching one of LisaJ's videos, and she made the comment of, if you're ever considering doing YouTube, why not? And I was like, okay, so I kept watching, and she was like, I mean, the worst that could come of it is you do it, you hate it, and you stop. Or you start and you absolutely love it and you continue on. So I'm having so much fun. I'm so glad that I started it. It's a huge learning curve for me because I'm not used to all the different software and everything that they use to do on YouTube and my blog site. And I just started Instagram, which I know I'm really late to the game on that, but that's a whole new platform that I'm still learning. I'm gonna go in with my angled brush and do the eyeliner. So LisaJ Makeup was really the one that kind of planted it in my head to just try it, see what you think. And I really like watching her videos. And then as I kept watching different YouTube videos, I came across Stephanie Marie Beauty, and she's out of Louisiana, and I love the way she talks. She's just someone just like Lisa that it seems like, is very sweet, very kind. And I enjoy watching her videos. She has a closer skin tone to mine, so it makes it a little bit easier to match makeup. But she's just so sweet, and I really, really like watching her videos. And just about a week ago, she started a Facebook group trying to help people that were starting out YouTube or different channels of wanting to get their business to grow. And so I joined it, and I have to say she's the only one on YouTube so far that I have found help and advice from, and I thank her so much for even commenting on the comments that I send to her, and just helping answer some of the questions that I have along the way. I can't thank her enough for starting that group. And to be honest with you, I was doing a kind of like a professional development for Spark. It's a program that they use through Adobe. And there's a guy on there that was saying he apparently makes quite a bit of money from YouTube. He was saying how, so many people feel like it's a competition, but really it's not. If you share, someone else's channel who's small like mine, and you're a big channel, it's not like you're going to, lose your followers or anything like that. So like your like does not, change anything for someone else's like. I'm just gonna put a little bit more of the Neutrogena underneath to get rid of any of the fallout. And so I really like that, but to be honest with you, I've tried reaching out to a few of the YouTube people in the community, seeing if I could do a collab video like I've seen other ones do, and I really haven't heard back from any of them. I know that, my channel is so small, so I don't have much to give to them, but I'm hoping one day that one of them will do a collab with me, because it would just be fun to do that. It would be something new. Oh, I'm putting on the Laura Mercier brightening powder underneath, and with a big fluffy brush. So I'm kind of hoping that one of these days, one of them will be willing to do that. So I'm really looking forward to trying to find someone to do a collab with. I have like a little spot right here, so I'm gonna add a little bit more right there to cover that up. One of the people that I watch that I didn't even realize had a YouTube that is just like a feel-good, like you love watching it, they make you laugh, they have great advice, actually started out from Pinterest. There was the Small Things blog. She is a former hairdresser, and she did hair tutorials, and I loved the pins that she would do on Pinterest, and then I realized she had a YouTube channel. So I started watching her, and I just love watching her. It's fun, and it's easy to watch, and she gives lots of helpful tips, so I really like it, and she has fair skin like I do, and she's around my age. And I also learned about, through the Little Things blog, about her sister, Lauren Loves. She does just a blog. I don't believe she has a YouTube, but I'll link that all down below too, that I really like watching because she also has fair skin, and her style of dress is very much like how I kind of dress, like just casual, and so I really like watching hers as well. I have my notes down here, so don't forget what I was talking about. Another thing that I wanted to talk about was the first YouTuber I ever watched. I don't know if I said, I think Angie Hot and Flashy would be the person who I would go to for like expert advice, because she does so much in-depth research on the products, and I just feel like she gives such knowledgeable advice on all the things that she shares. So I really enjoy watching her and getting those kind of tips. If you have not seen my video on this Bare Minerals powder, I used to use their loose powder, but it would make a mess everywhere. This is phenomenal. It makes your skin feel so, so soft. So I will link that down below too, because this powder is incredible. And I'm gonna go ahead and set the foundation with it. And then I know that there's a few people that I watch. I don't have as many to link as some of the other people, because to be honest with you, with just starting out, I'm very picky about who I watch, because I have a very limited time frame to watch it, since I teach full time, and creating these videos and editing them and all the stuff that goes into it behind the scenes takes a lot of time. So I don't watch very many other YouTubers. Like, they really have to have an inspiration or a reason for me to watch them, and I just have to love watching them to even want to click on it. So the ones that I do watch and I absolutely love are the Ellie Leary Artistry. She's super sweet and pretty. I love how I'm gonna do my Maybelline Fit Me Blush in Nude. I love how she gives dupes for high-end makeup, and she makes it like everyday life, like it applies to you and something you would do, which I love because as a teacher, I'm not going to go out and buy all this expensive high-end makeup. So I really like that she finds more affordable things and makes it for everyday people. So I really like her channel. Of course, LisaJ Makeup, because she's part of the reason why I'm here today. And then Stephanie Marie, I just adore watching. She's super sweet, and I thank her so much for the help she's providing right now. And then also Angie Hot and Flashy, which was my original one watching. And then the other one that I have not mentioned yet, I'm gonna go with my Maybelline Total Temptation. This bottle is messy, sorry. I don't wanna say her name wrong, but she's out of France. And I love her accent. She is so beautiful. And I love how all of her makeup looks are pretty natural and glowy. And I just love that because if you watch any of my channels, I pretty much stick to the natural look. So I just love when she does makeup and the accent, and just she seems so sweet. I got some mascara down there. And I hope I don't say her last name wrong, but it's Ali Andre, is I think how you say it. I'll link it down below. She is just a doll to watch, and I just love her too. So I don't have as many channels as some of the other ladies, but I know that they've been watching for longer, and they probably have this whole creating video things down a little bit more pat than I do. But I really love the idea that LisaJ came up with about this kindness tag, and sharing, you know, where we go to find products that we love and try, and also kind of getting the word out on different creators that you might not be familiar with that you should try out. So those are all the ones that I think I covered all of them. But if there are any more, I'll do another one of these videos because I think it's great to spread kindness and joy, especially around the holidays, and to help out other people. So this is one of my favorite lip glosses. It's not sticky, it's hydrating, it's cheap. It's Revlon Supernatural. I love this color. It's like your lips but better. And anytime I wear it, people always ask me what I'm wearing, because it just gives like this hint of color, but it's a natural nude look that doesn't kind of wash you out. It gives you shine, and it's just beautiful. I love this color. So I have one in my purse and one in my bathroom. And the last thing I want to do is I actually found this one from Lauren Loves, which is the Small Things blog sister. This is Becca Moonstone, and it's such a pretty highlight. It goes so nice on fair skin, and I'm sure it looks good in other skin tones too, but it's this beautiful color. And when you put it on, it gives like this beautiful, just natural glow, like lit from within look. And it does not make it look like you're wearing a highlighter, because I don't like to look like I'm wearing makeup, but I don't know if you can see it on camera. It just gives this beautiful, like this, the sun just glows right off your face. It's so pretty. So that's the chatty get ready with me. I would love it if you would, if you already subscribe to their channels, or you do, that you tell them that I tagged them and I sent you to them. And I hope that you will like and give it the thumbs up before leaving, and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye.